Dun, da, da, da. Look at this beauty, oh my gosh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with a very exciting haul video, which is Chanel! Yay! I got two items from Chanel. One is a handbag and a small leather good. So I'm going to show you what I have got in this bigger box. Very exciting. Oop. This is kind of hard to do it, but yeah. You open like this. So tissue paper, a dust bag, another tissue paper, and dun, da, da, da. Yay! So this is what I got. Can you guys see? I'm gonna show it to you properly. So this is Chanel Classic Flap in mini size with black caviar and champagne gold hardware. So the gold hardware is not as dark, it's more like a light gold color. So it's very pretty and it looks a little bit shiny in the camera, but in person this bag is just gorgeous. I don't know other ways to say it, but yeah. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in detail. So like I said, this is Classic Flap in mini size, and it has light gold, champagne gold hardware like this, and I still have the sticker on and also the chain like so. This is what the bag looks like. Side, and if you open the flap, it just looks like a one big compartment with, let's say, like one pocket. Yeah, there's one pocket right here, and it's fully lined in leather. And the difference between this Classic Mini and the double flap is that, of course, the double flap has double flap, like it has two flaps, whereas this one has just only one. And I believe the double flap has the Chanel logo on this, but this one doesn't. And on the bottom, it doesn't have any feet. So I need to be careful when I place it on the floor. And the size is 17 centimeters, 13 centimeters, and 6.5 centimeters. So pretty tiny. So there are 3 minis, I think, that Chanel makes in this kind of classic design. One is extra mini, which you cannot really find it. It's very difficult to find extra mini. And there's square mini and this rectangular mini, which is also called a new mini. And I was thinking whether to get a square mini or this rectangular mini, but I just like the classic shape of this bag, so I went for this. And the rectangular mini, which is this design, has a longer shoulder straps than the square mini. And I'm 5'3" or 163 to 4 centimeters. If I want to wear it crossbody, then I think this strap length works better for me. So I'm gonna show you the mod shot later. And I also wanted in a different color. I didn't mind gold or silver hardware, but I wanted it anything but black actually because this is small and more of a casual bag, so I thought, you know, like a small pop-up color would be fun, but they only had a black caviar. At least this color was available at the time that I was purchasing. And to be honest, I got another medium to large classic flap, and I haven't got it yet because we ordered it and we paid for it and everything, and it's still in the States, and I'm going to the States tomorrow, so I'm gonna go pick it up when I go there. And I didn't want to, you know, pass on that opportunity for another year, so I just took plunge and bought it. But maybe we'll see if there's another color coming up, then I may get another bag, another mini in different color, but we'll see. But this is very classic, so I don't mind having, you know, 2 different Chanel bags in the same color and hardware. But yeah, I'm very excited to have finally got my hands on this classic mini. Next, I'm going to show you what's inside of this Chanel small box. Alright, so inside has camellia, authenticity card, ribbon, tissue paper, and there is the pouch. And if you open it like this, inside there is a wallet. It's a small wallet. Actually, it's a card holder. This is the card holder in black caviar with champagne gold hardware. Same leather and hardware to my Chanel Classic Mini. And on the back, which is my favorite, it has a pocket like this. As you can see, there's a pocket. And if you open it, I'm gonna take off this paper. There's another paper. If you open this, there's Chanel logo, and there are 2 main compartments, and there's another slot in the front like this. So there are plenty of rooms to put your cards or cash, and yeah, I think this is like perfect for my lifestyle because I carry too many cards. I don't know why I have so many cards, but yeah, so it is very difficult to find like this kind of a big card holder that holds maybe like 20 cards. And I take public transportations whenever I go to work, or yeah, so I don't really drive, so I really needed like a slot where I can put my car for transportation, so that I can easily, you know, go in and out whenever I'm, you know, moving. So this is my favorite. This is why I made a decision to buy this, and it's a perfect size too. So this is what it looks like on me. Like I said, I'm 5'3". Like a shoulder strap like this. If I wear just like a shoulder strap like this, it hits a little bit below my hip. My hip's around here, so it comes about here. I think it's not too long or not too short. And if I wear a crossbody, it will hit just around my hip, like here. So the side and the back, it will look like this. Oh, this too is what I got. Yay! So that was it for my Chanel haul, and like I said, I have another bag coming next week, so please look out for that video. And yeah, if you have any questions regarding the bag or also the card holder, please leave comments down below and I'll try to answer all your questions. And if you like this kind of video, please click thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I hope you guys to see you in my next video. Bye!